So Google is like literally publicly shaming Apple into adopting their new messaging protocol. So Google is trying to push RCS. Basically, what RCS is, it's a cross-platform messaging protocol that would replace the aging SMS and MMS standards. And this would basically make the interactions, the communication, the messaging communication between Android users and iOS users better. Because we would have more like newer features like iMessage has, for example, like encryption, higher, better media transfers, stuff like that, So it's pretty cool. And, Google has in the past said like, oh, this is RCS. It's pretty great. We hope all other mobile OS people, implement this into their devices, which is like, well, only iOS, it's only Apple. There's really no other major competitor. I mean, I guess there's some like really like Linux phones out there. Obviously Android is Linux, but like literal Linux devices out there. And I mean, Windows Phone is not a thing anymore. So it's literally Apple, so they've sort of indirectly called out Apple in the past. And now the thing is, Apple is most likely never gonna do this. First of all, because Apple really doesn't care about Android users. They care about their iOS users. They care about the people that buy their products. That's how it basically is. And, iMessage is actually a feature that a lot of people, especially in North America, use, and would purely because of that feature never even consider a non-iOS device. So Apple would be giving up, some leverage that they have, in order to make the experience of general users better, which they're not going to do, obviously, So who knows? Google has sunk some development time and money into this, so they might like end up paying Apple to implement this at some point. It's interesting what's gonna happen, but if RCS ever gets adopted, the communication between Android and iOS would just be straight up better. So yeah, if Apple would do that, that would be cool, but they probably won't.